Draper tools, roller cabs and top boxes come in 3 different quality ranges. Draper Expert Plus is the heaviest duty and is fitted with ball bearing runners and an integral drawer locking system, along with reinforced components for durability. Draper Expert is also a range that offers a top quality box fit for any professional and can be configured in a range of combinations. They are all fitted with lid opening gas struts, ball bearing runners, auto latching drawers and heavy duty castors. The Draper branded range offers a box suitable for enthusiasts and trade use, with many of the features the other quality ranges boast at an entry-level price.